baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are back up. Hey y'all, today is Saturday. We're getting ready to run some errands. I gotta go to the post office because I told y'all I did like a little giveaway on my Instagram probably like 2 weeks ago. Girl, I still haven't made it to send that gift card off, but I'm doing it today. I'm getting it done. So the gift card is on its way. I did buy some more of the stems. I was able to catch the sale. I think the sale ends maybe today or tomorrow. I'm not too sure. I'm just having my coffee. I'm actually doing 2 videos at once because I also need to film my what I eat in a day today. So I just did a little clip on that. But I came on to show y'all that I finished my first bottle of perfume. Girl, I've been spraying this Valentino like crazy. I've been in love with Valentino for years. I told y'all the men's Valentino, or the one that's in a black bottle, it's actually unisex, and I used to wear Tony's all the time, and then he bought me this bottle right here, and I finally finished it. But y'all know I was running low, so I bought the little small one. I think it's like a 1.7 ounce bottle, or maybe even a 1 ounce. It's really small, but I finally finished it. I thought that was so cool. I think this is my first bottle in about maybe like 3 years that I finished, because my Chanel Chance, I finished that too, but when I bought that one like years ago, and that was my favorite perfume for a very long time. That was like my signature scent, and I would wear it like almost every day. So the bottle that I have now is my second bottle that I purchased. So I would say this is the second bottle that I finished. I love that. But I'm getting ready to run to the store. We're going to drop off this gift card to the post office, and then I need to go to Best Buy because I got to figure out what's going on with my camera, because that little incident that we had last week, we can't be having little issues like that, because girl, I don't got time for that. I'm a professional, okay?
Inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know?
Hey y'all, it is like 2 days later. It's Monday, and I am waiting on my brother. We're getting ready to go have some lunch. My son wants ramen, so I'm not too sure if I'll have anything at the restaurant, but Ryan's coming with me. If y'all don't know, Ryan is a big ramen lover too, and little Tony like ramen too, so we're gonna go have some ramen. Like I said, I'm not too sure if I will eat anything while I'm there. I'm actually in the middle of filming what I eat in a day, so I gotta run to the store really quick, and then once I get back and finish everything I have to do, then we're going to have some lunch. Well, you might as well say dinner, because it's going to be like a little bit later on today, like 4 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock, because most of the ramen places open later on. So I just had to pick up everything that I could that's on the floor, because I'm getting ready to get my carpet clean. Of course, I'm not going to move the table because the area is pretty clean. No traffic is under the table, so I'm just leaving them there. But where the chairs were, and then of course this walkway, even though I make people take off their shoes, it's still pretty dirty, so I'm getting everything cleaned up today. But this is the DIY project for today. Say hi, Ryan.
I'm on the camera. You see me kept outside out. I'm like.
But I gotta go get some spray paint. My battery's about to die, so I'll see you guys in Home Depot. right, y'all. We're at Home Depot. You on the camera?
There's a faucet area. Can I please have customer assistance? There's a faucet area.
Okay.
I don't know what she said at the beginning, but it sounded like she said, "Child, please," when I hit that note.
This is the brand that I like to get, the Rust-Oleum, but I don't see the black, the matte black. That's one gloss, flat. I guess you can get flat, it's fine. It's fine. Ow! Yeah, I have to replace my plants because my other one, something happened to it. I don't know what happened to it, but he passed away. Okay. I need one more pull the whimper back there to see how that one look.
You know these got pointy things at the end.
Yeah, you know I was struggling trying to bring them up the last time, and I need you to help me. But
What, you invite me to lunch or something? You want to have some lunch?
All right. So a lot of you guys always ask the name of my plants that I have on my balcony, and this is it, because I always forget the name of them. But my other one, something happened to, I don't know what happened to it.
I'll tell you what happened.
But girl, he is done. Okay.
Oh, look at these.
It's the next day, and I decided to, y'all excuse my tea, but let me just move this out the way because this is really messing up my vibe. So the base is finished. It looks so pretty. I know it's a little bright on camera, but this is what I came up with. It looks so good. Hopefully you guys can really see it. This is how the vase turned out, and this is the spray paint that I use because I know I'm gonna get some questions, just in case you guys didn't see it when I was at Home Depot. This is it. So you can either do the flat or the matte. To me it looks the exact same. So let me get a little closer. So the vase has a little bit of texture on it. I got this vase from Home Goods, I think like $20 or something like that. I had to grab it. It was like the terracotta color, so I had to grab it because I knew I was just gonna spray paint it anyway. But yeah, and I just have it sitting here on the edge of my counter, and I'll probably have like a cute little stand or something, have like a candle or something like that sitting on the edge. But I love it. These little discs right here, I've had these for so long, from Home Goods. The one in the middle is my favorite. It's so pretty. But yeah, those are from Home Goods if anybody is interested. But like I said, it was like 2 years ago. So yeah, this is how everything turned out, and I love it.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside. side in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you
So I got a package from New Balance. These were so cute. Look. How cute are these? This is my very first pair of New Balances. I've never had New Balances before, but I see them all over Instagram and I just thought that they were so cute. Usually the colors are kind of funky to me and I'm just like, oh, but I heard that they were really comfortable, so I ordered some and I chose these. I'm a size 8.5, but I always get a 9, and they didn't have any 9s available, and I really wanted these because I thought they were just too cute, and I ordered them in a 9.5. So I have a little room in the front, but I just thought that they were so cute, so I ordered them. Let me try them on for y'all so y'all can see. And they're brand new, so I don't have to worry about getting anything on the carpet. So let me try them on for you. All right, y'all, so this is how they look. What y'all think? I think they're so cute. They are a little bit, I would say that these are true to size. So I think it'll be okay to get your size because I do have a wide foot and I have some room in these, which I really don't mind because when I wear my little ankle socks, I think that they'll feel fine and not too tight. So yeah, love these. I'll have the link to them in the description box if you guys are interested. I thought these were really cute. And they're very comfortable. So yeah. All right, y'all, so this is my lunch. I'm actually going to an event today. Y'all might see that in the next vlog because it starts at 5 and I want to try to have this vlog out for you guys. It's from 5 to 8. So I decided to just try to eat really quick. I'm not too sure if they're going to have food there, but you guys know that I'm not just eating anything these days. So I just decided to make myself a salad. Don't forget to follow my food channel. But yeah, this is my lunch. It looks so good. Let me go ahead and eat this so I can get ready.